There are many other features available in Google Play Store to use it like a pro. In this video, we will show you the tips and tricks on Google Play Store. Hey guys, welcome to our channel, The Tech Bros. In Play Store, Android apps are rated in terms of age. You can control the content maturity if your kids are also using your phone. You can filter the app to different age category in this setting. Go to Play Store and select Settings. Select Family, then select Parental Control. Then you will be asked to create a pin. After creating the pin, then select Apps and Games. There you can set apps to show under different age category. Set any age category and select Save. You can turn off these settings by entering the pin again. Just save the pin from your kids. Then you don't need to bother about the apps and games that your kids install, which will be within the range that you set up. Some apps provide try option before downloading or purchasing that app. By this you can check whether it is worth or not to download. To enable this in your Play Store, go to Settings, then select General option. There select Google Play Instant. After that enable Upgrade Web Links. By this you can try some apps before downloading them. Only some apps provide this feature. I think the next tip will be most useful for parents. In these recent days, we have been hearing that kids are using their parents' cards to do in-app purchases, and many have lost their money. You can stop this by this simple trick. Open Settings, there select Authentication, then select Biometric Authentication. After that enter your Gmail password and select OK. Then the authentication will be succeeded. By this, if anyone tries to do in-app purchase within the Play Store, then without your fingerprint, the purchase can't be finished. The fourth tip is play games without downloading or without any internet. Let us assume that you are in a condition where you have no internet or any games to play in your mobile and you are bored. Don't worry, the Play Store got you covered. Yes, there are games that you can play from Play Store without having internet or downloading them. When you have no internet, open Play Store. There will be 3 games available in Play Store game section. One is Hot Air Balloon, the other one is Solitaires, and the next one is the old Snake game. Yes, this version is difficult but improved in graphics. By this tip, you can install apps on your mobile from desktop. Open Play Store in desktop with your Gmail account login, same as in your mobile. Select the app that you need to install and select in which mobile or device that you need to install it, and then select Install. That's it, it will be installed on your device. If these tricks are getting interesting, like this video and subscribe to the channel. This trick will motivate me to make more videos. I think most of you know this next trick. You can uninstall apps that you don't need all at once. For that, open Play Store and select Manage Apps and Device. There select Manage option. There you can uninstall multiple apps by selecting each box and then select Delete icon. Or you can update multiple apps at once by selecting Auto Update icon. There are 2 types of apps in Play Store, free download and other one is paid download. The paid app will be in sale for some time with some discount or will be available for free. To know that when is the sale, you should download one app called App Sales. I will give the link in the description. After installing the app, open the app and you can filter out apps based on their discount. We have been saving our data by opting out from auto update in Play Store. But some apps need to get update for getting better performance. You can select which apps you need to auto update and which not to. For that, open Play Store and go to My Apps and Device. Select Updates Available and select the apps that you need to auto update. Then select More option on the top right corner and check Enable Auto Update. In the corner, It is a particular section of Play Store where you can find new and innovative games that been released recently. For choosing Indie Corner, open Google and search Indie Corner. Then open this first link and you can find it. Now you can download the latest apps. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below which trick you like the most. Share this video to your friends and subscribe to the channel and enable notification icon for future updates.